You'll see this little set of notes at the beginning of each chapter, and of course I won't be making a recording on them each time, but since this is chapter 1, I thought it was important to go over them. So the purpose of these notes here in this first line is to see the chapter information from a different perspective. Sometimes when you see it in an outline form or in my words rather than the author's words, something might click that didn't click as you were reading it. It also sort of helps to get right down to the most important points. Notice these next two lines. There may be things in the notes that are not in the textbook, and there may be things in the textbook that are not in the notes. So the idea is you're responsible for both of those. There may be updates and corrections from the textbook in the notes. Today, Windows evolves so fast that by the time a textbook is written, there are things already out of date. And so the notes sometimes update the information in the textbook. So really, the notes take precedence in that sense. And in fact, let's read this last statement. Please review both the notes and the textbook. Wherever the notes mention textbook errors or outdated information, please defer to the information in the notes for test purposes. The notes always take precedence over the textbook in this class. That's an important thing to know. Sometimes somebody will challenge a question in the quiz and say, but the textbook says this. And I will point out, but the notes say this. And the notes take precedence. So that is a very important point as you go through this class. So I won't belabor this, but thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the class.